but it's motion sensor. So you got a suction cup you can put it on.
Yeah.
And then you turn this on.
Let's go, Dr. Pepper,
Wow. That's funny.
I gave him out.
Bettinardi.
Okay, so that's what I need for my cat.
Oh.
He wants to fall. I don't want to be the cause of its crash.
That's for your cans and your cabinet. My husband needed it, so. Oh, I'm making pom-poms. Little pom-poms. Oh, okay. And then yeah, we'll be home. I don't know. When will we be home? You know what? He's had that golf bag for about 8 years.
Yeah.
Always been like that since the day he got it.
American Stories of War. That's interesting. How much are your DVDs?
10 cents a piece, or you can pay $5 and you can have the whole box.
$5 for the whole box, huh? Wow. That guy ran over by a car, huh? How does that even happen?
It actually came from Yahoo like that.
From Yahoo?
Or from Amazon.
Oh, okay. Interesting, really? Oh, you ordered this from Amazon and that's how it arrived. Jeez. Yeah. That's crazy.
And it was one of those, oh, you don't have to return it. Oh, you don't think?
Yeah, no, I mean, I don't think you want that. So $5 for the whole thing, huh? Maybe I'll do that. Is there any chance you'd sell me just a putter out of the bag, or you really want to sell it all?
Well, we really want to sell it all, but what do you...
I was thinking like $5 for a putter.
Sure.
Because then you can still sell the whole set,
Yeah,
probably for 20 to someone else. Okay. So then $10 for the DVDs and the putter.
Okay, that works.
Okay, cool. What is this? Landscape edging.
Yeah, I got couldn't find a receipt.
Okay, yeah, that happens to me all the time. How much are you selling that for?
$2.
Yeah, I'll get that too.
How much is your cup? 25 cents.
$2.
Oh, thank you. What are you, any good DVDs?
I just bought them all for $5. Because why not?
Why not?
Why not? I'll be back for that putter. Yeah. Yeah. Putter.
Yeah.
That's unique. I've never seen.
These cups are worth a little bit of money.
Oh, cool.
At least $12.
All right. Yeah, this is kind of a cool putter. What's this?
It's not from the shower curtain, stuff from the
Gotcha. Some plushies.
She was up till like 4
Please,
o'clock.
please.
Yeah, you're fine. Here, look. Always bring 2 of everything.
Kermit.
They outgrew the monkeys.
There you go.
Hermit.
Yeah,
Your paper.
that's a broken Kermit. I like this guy, but his eye, I don't think I could fix it.
Oh, who's that?
Oh, Cabbage Patch Kid.
Okay. You go through all of them?
Yeah, pretty much.
She was worse earlier. She didn't want no one even touching her.
Yeah. You get 2 plushes.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
These sneakers are cute.
How are you? Pretty good. Hi, how are you? You guys been busy?
Oh, here and there.
Here and there.
Not really a steady flow today.
Comes and goes. Well, usually early in the morning people are like super crazy.
Yes.
And then like later in the day it's just kind of a trickle kind of a thing.
Well, I think our
Oh,
issue
Dr.
is
Pepper
that
thing.
all that construction out there.
Yeah.
people
I
can't-
missed the turn and yeah.
Yeah.
It was a whole life and limb thing to get down here.
Sure.
Yeah. You guys aren't selling any video games?
No, no video game.
Some toys though.
Yeah, toys. Those are all her toys up there.
How much are you selling your teddy bear for? 2. Okay. I'll take him. What's his name?
Mr. Bear,
Mr. Bear.
original.
So what are these?
Those are banners, Dr. Pepper banners.
Oh, cool. Like that?
It's actually this one. I thought I had one. Let me go get the one that's actually like.
Okay.
It's different than that.
Different
one.
than that. Yeah, that
Yeah,
one.
It's actually like has the ties on.
Oh yeah, I'd be interested in seeing it.
There he is.
She's gonna buy her out.
Oh yeah, sure. That's how I told her. Say that money you make, that's all yours.
Yeah, that's cool. Little monkey.
My other daughter, that's her table. She's inside.
Oh, okay.
She's older. She's not.
She's put it out. Oh, that
Yeah.
is cool. Wow. Now I want some Dr. Pepper.
Yeah,
How much are
right?
you selling them for?
For those, I'll do 3 on those.
3 a piece?
3 a piece.
Where'd you get them?
There's a guy that I know that used to work for Dr. Pepper,
All right, I'll take
and
them.
they were selling a bunch of their stuff out of their warehouse.
Yeah,
So just
I think they're cool.
awesome.
$6.
Sure.
Yeah. And this is like, this seems fragile.
Right.
That seems like something I'd break.
Yeah, that might.
What'd they even use that for?
He just wrap tables with.
Ah,
when they
okay.
did Their,
Like their trade shows or
shows.
something? Okay. Cool.
and
All right, well, I got 2 posters.
then these,
That's cool too, yeah.
yeah, I'm doing these for 5. Like I've got 5 of those brand new in a box,
Wow.
and
Really?
I'm selling it either put together or just in the box.
Right now they're in the box?
Yeah, brand new in the box. Yep.
Wow.
Welcome.
So $5, huh?
$5. Yes.
Let me take a picture of it.
He's gonna buy the box anyway. Oh, they didn't really have the box. Yeah,
And you said you have how many?
I believe I still have 5 of those.
What do you think, Mom? Those are cool, right?
What?
These Dr.
Yeah.
Pepper.
Yeah.
The season is right.
And
5 of them. So 5 for 25. I'll take them.
What are they?
I'll buy them.
okay.
What are
Go
they?
grab them.
They're these. They're like for like if you're having a party, a Super Bowl party or something like that.
Trying to get this guy to work. Should work.
Here's the 25 for these things he's pulling out. I don't either. She should just accept it. That I'm just gonna buy a bunch of stuff.
Mr. Foxman!
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Alright, so this is the other stuff I got. You're interested.
I fit it all.
You fit it all? That's awesome. Right here, these little Dr. Pepper
Oh,
guys.
wow.
You remember that guy?
Yeah,
But it's motion sensor. So you got a suction cup you can put it on,
yeah.
and then you turn this on.
Let's go, Dr. Pepper here.
Wow,
You get-
that's
I
funny.
gave them out some of my friends as gifts.
That's
And
crazy.
they'd stick them on their walls, and then when you go by. Oh, wow.
Wow. How much you looking for on those guys?
I've got. Let's see. I think 4 boxes. I mean, I'll do offer 10 if you're interested. Or
Sure, why not?
All
I'll
right.
clear you out.
all right. Will you get the money and I'll go grab the other boxes?
All right.
I'll get the money.
$10.
That is yeah.
How's it going?
Good. Where should we set this up? You can set it over there.
Oops.
I know. You better put that somewhere.
Now I really want a Dr. Pepper. Is there more sales in this neighborhood or just you two?
So there was supposed to be. Did you ever figure out if there were any more sales in the neighborhood? It was supposed to be a neighborhood-wide sale.
Yeah.
Keep going down there and coming back like real quick. So
Okay, so maybe
I'll
nothing
give
else.
you that free too.
Oh, thank you. Here, I can get it.
All
Yeah.
right.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Go get your Dr. Pepper.
I'm gonna need to go get a Dr. Pepper.
You know, back in the good old days.
Yeah.
But it's very nice up there.
Yeah, we lived in Wyndham for a little while.
I have a lot of families still up there.
Yeah, I went to high school and everything there from all my friends. It was fun to do that for a while. But
Yeah, I said to my kids, and I think we go up there all the time. And they still, one of my grandchildren said, I'm not going. But they all, that was a really good memory.
yeah, oh yeah.
I would love to retire there, but the money just doesn't go.
I don't know about retiring. I'm too old. They get a lot of snow, you know.
Well, that's right before we moved. We had a big snowstorm. And after
Yeah.
shoveling that, we were like, yeah.
It used to get so bad it would cover the whole house.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Back in the day, I don't think they've been that way anymore. Are you done? Did you get every? Am I gonna have room in the car?
No, you're driving on the
I
roof.
guess I'm walking home.
You're walking home.
I have the feeling
Tie you
that
to the
way.
top.
Well, you guys have a nice day.
And look at their tools.
That's a charger.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that does.
Look at this.
Yeah, I think Dad's got one of those.
I might buy it. Chad would tell me to. It's so rigid. Buy your pipe wrench?
You have the pipe wrench.
$2.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hey everyone, thanks for hitting those yard sales with me. Definitely got a lot of really cool Dr. Pepper stuff. I've listed some of that on my eBay store. I actually used the picture I took at his garage sale to do the big field goal because I didn't want to have to build one just to take pictures. And there's no real comp, so I kind of just guessed on the price and we'll see if they sell over the football season. You never know, they might. If not, no big deal, I'll sell them next year. I haven't listed those Dr. Pepper posters yet, but hopefully I will by the time this video goes live. My mom found that little music box, Pete the Cat. That looks like it's worth like $30 to $50, so that was an awesome find. Why don't you guys go ahead and let me know in the comments what your favorite find of today was.